Alright, we're gonna try this one more time. One more time. Here comes the frog. See? Jake's in a much better mood now that he burped. Yeah. Yeah. Don't fall off the couch. I took off the cushion so you could scoot in more. Oh, Jake sees it. Oh, Will sees it. Let's get you over a little more. Okay. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. No, 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 no. Boys not out, guys. Mom's got work, so let's have a lot of fun. No crying tonight. Yeah? You agree? You agree? Yeah. All right, boys. Let's go have some fun, okay? Okay.